Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation related to Cardano technical analysis and price details. Today we're gonna take you about a coin from the technical standpoint on the charts. So here we are in CoinMarketCap looking for a couple of type of overall details related to the Cardano, which is sitting on rank number 8 today for the whole market cap. That makes it for the past 7 days on minus 20%. So it's just sort of why Ethereum, which is near to 20%. Other than that, Ripple is doing slightly better. It's just almost half of it. Meanwhile, Binance coin is doing better. We've got Ethereum sitting at 20s, BTC at 14th. So the Cardano is most likely dominating the markets when we talk about shorts, which is a great cryptocurrency of shorting and trading the markets in longs as well at the time it's pumping. We've seen that basically for a while. However, I'd like to dive into the details, and today we're considering the 4-hour candlesticks for the current situation of the market. This is going to be a quick, straight to the point market representation of what's happening and what's going on. So the first thing is we have a context of a ranging market. Whether we see the high volatility in the range, I'm going to measure from this bottom to that top. It's 3 days and 16 hours of 55% market movement. Obviously, that's a situation based off a news, which is not happening every other day. Yet when the whole market context is bullish overall speaking, then we need to keep in mind the context of the rallies of bear market. This is a specific stage that we're going through, rallies of bear market. Now, they're not going to represent 55% in 3 days every time. They're not going to represent 300% in 2 weeks. Yet, there is a representation of what has happened in the current trend that we had. And that was a beautiful channel as of now. So we have 47% in 31 days. This is how much we have pumped from that specific low that we have been putting in at the time of 13th of July. So we've been able to establish a decent channel that had its own very accurate and clear trending resistance line, just like it had its own trending support lines, extremely clearly, with the breakdown right there, which just happened on 18th of August. It wasn't that fine, as we also broke below 0.5 cents on the Cardano price, considering it was about $3 when the all-time highs were around. Currently, we're talking about a highly discounted situation. So we've been able to survive quite well in this trend, pumping back and forth and testing both limits. That's fine. The problem is that we had a major resistance median zone in between the two blue lines to start back in the day of 10th of May. And at that same time, we've been able to meet up with the resistance trending line, with the green one. And this is appearing right there where I'm encircling right now. So that is the time we got, I would say, and I could easily say, significant issues around the corner with a highly bearish presence, just like we would have been facing at a major resistance top zone. We didn't get there. Sits around 66-67 cents. Yeah, we've been flushing down, which is not a good sign, folks. I mean, the crash was too quick. It was too quick, folks. If I measure it from there to the current situation, in 6 days we've been plummeting 26%. That's quite a lot. And if I start measuring it from here, we have 25.5 in 3 days. So we cut the days in half, and we've got 25% decrease from that specific point. That's a lot. I mean, we do enjoy trading volatile cryptocurrencies, and that's fine, especially with leverage, where we're making our money with day trading, swing trading, and so on. But 25% in a matter of 3 days is something that is also fine with a very low leverage, yet it is decent on the spot markets. So you definitely want to short it. You want to go out there on derivatives and short Cardano, which has always been a great source of income. I mean, Cardano was able to print here to give you 55% in 7 days, folks. I mean, 55% in 7 days is something. It is definitely not a result you can get every other day, for sure. Now, this is where the market sits basically, with a potential reaction point in the major support zone that I've been putting together. Well, if bearish dominance steps in and if we break below this, you know, it's going to be a lot of the pressure. It's going to be a lot of the pressure, a lot of the tension around Cardano, which obviously for the upcoming period can easily go down another 50% when there is going to be a major capitulation. So at 25, 22, 26 cents, you definitely got to consider this as compared to the all-time high that is a 20x, right? So 10x is right around the, you know, $2, 2.4, 2.5, and then you've got your 20x right there. You break the all-time high and you're having a good 20x. On a $10,000, that's a $200,000 when we get back to all-time high. Beautiful. Well, for those of you looking to learn how to trade, and I've been getting requests basically, since 2017, we have my one-to-one coaching program. Scrembocoaching.com is the website describing how does it works. For more details, you can have a conversation with me directly. Feel free to register now and I'll get back to you on your email with the offer. As well, you can watch the video right there explaining how does it functions. On the other side, we have the commission trading, which is that I can perform trading that I do for myself and for my clients and for my team, just like we can perform for you through API connection. Feel free to check out our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, as you can see on the top left corner, where you have actually all the links in the description area or comments area of this video. There is no upfront fees, it's just a commission out of the pure profits achieved. This is pretty much all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page, we have the way you can participate. Beautiful, folks. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and put your thoughts in the comments area. It's important to keep in touch. Have a good time, and we'll talk to you soon.